Hi everyone, it's Vic. So today I'm sharing this cute pocket card. So I've gone ahead and I've die cut this out of my silhouette. So I'm just going ahead and scoring some score marks. So this part here is the pocket part. So as I said, I'm just putting some score lines in and then I'm going to go ahead and use my bone folder just to give it a nice sharp crease. And then once that part's done, I already have the tag that cut out on the silhouette. So now I'm just going to go ahead and adhere this together. And as you can see, the tag fits really nicely in the pocket. So I've just got some PVA glue and I'm just adhering down them sides there. And I'm just pressing firmly, and then I'm going to go ahead and start decorating the tag. So I've got a basic circle die, so I'm just going to run that through my die cutting machine, and I've used some white card, and then that's going to sit on the middle of the pocket. And this little die is a spellbinder's die, and I just needed a circle just to make a hole, so when I put the ribbon through the tag I didn't have a hole punch, so I've just used that little die there. And then for my images today, I'm using Create a Smile stamps. So I've got Tender Tulips and Bear Mail. So I've got my Memento black ink, and I'm just going to go ahead and stamp up my images. And I love that bear that's holding the little box. And then the next stamp I'm stamping is a bear on a bicycle. He's so cute. So now once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and just stamp some flowers and a couple of extra little bits. And this pocket card, I thought it'd be quite nice to send out, especially at the minute we can't really see anyone, so it's just a nice little tag card to send out to someone that you're missing. So now the stamping's complete, I'm going to go ahead and just do some Copic colouring. I'm going to quickly show you how I coloured in these images. I've gone ahead and listed all the Copic colouring markers I used today on the screen, but I wanted to keep the bear quite soft, so I went for E33, E31 for his body, and then for his nose I used E43, and then I've just gone in with some pink and grey, and I've used exactly the same colours on the other bear. And then for my first flower, I've used a dark pink, so these are the RV95 and RV93. So I've gone in with the darkest colour first, and then I go in with the lighter colour, and then I just add a little bit more shading at the bottom, and then I've used the reds for the second flower. So once my colouring's complete, I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut these images out with my scissors, and then I'll get to work on my tag. So this is the tag, and then there's the pocket part. So I've placed the images down, but I haven't adhered them yet. So I've gone in with these spellbinder dies. I just wanted to add a couple of extra little tags, and then I've also gone ahead and cut out some grass. So I'm going to be putting this at the bottom of the card. And even though there's a curved shape, it's very easy to just flip it over and then go around the bottom part with your scissors. And then the two spellbinder tags that I've gone ahead and run through my die cutting machine, I've die cut each tag twice. So I've used a pink card and then a white card. So I'm going to be layering them up together. So for my sentiments, I've got these Create a Smile stamps, small sentiments. So this is the Send in Love. And these are such a nice size. I think they're the smallest stamps that I have. And then from that bear stamp set, I've gone ahead and stamped the greeting on the card, and then that one says Bear Mail, which I thought was so cute. And then from that same bear stamp set, I've gone ahead and got this little envelope stamp, which is adorable. So I've gone and used some pink ink, and I'm just inking up the circle to make a pretty background. And then I'm going to go ahead and adhere everything down. So I've used PVA glue for the tag. I didn't use any foam tape just because I didn't want it to get stuck as they're pulling the tag out of the pocket card. So now I've gone and got some ribbon, and I'm just going to pop this through the top of the tag. I haven't used ribbon for ages. It was really nice to get some of my old stash out and just start using it. I don't know about anyone else. I have so much stuff that I just don't use, so it was nice to do that. So now I've just adhering the top of that bare mail tag, and then I'm going to get to work on the pocket part. So again, this is PVA glue that I'm using, just adhering that circle down and then placing the stamps where I want them. I wasn't quite happy with how they looked, so I went ahead and used a grass die to just add some grass to the bottom of the tag, just to give it a little bit more interest really. And then I've just added a little bit of twine to that tiny tag that says sending love, and then I did pop that up on a foam pad just to give it a bit more dimension. So here you'll see me adding the grass, which I should have done before I added the other stamps, but it was fine, it worked out fine. And then I'm just adhering down that tiny little bird. I think that's one of my favourite images from the stamp set. It's so sweet. So I've just added that there, and then I've got the couple of heart envelopes, and then I've just adhered them down again using PVA glue. And then here you'll see how nice the tag fits into the pocket, and I think it's just really nice to do something a little bit different. So I haven't made anything like this for a while, but I just hope it cheers someone up. It's very easy to make as well. If you don't have a silhouette machine, you can use your other dies to create a tag and then the pocket for it. Plus, as so many of us are in lockdown at the minute, I think it would really cheer someone up to send them something like this. So that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you did in the comments, and I'd love it if you subscribed. Thank you. Bye.